Have you ever wanted to start a successful YouTube channel, but were afraid to show your face on camera? You're not alone. Many aspiring content creators struggle with this issue, but the good news is that you don't need to show your face to create a thriving YouTube channel. A faceless YouTube channel can be a highly lucrative venture, and with the right strategies, anyone can succeed. In this video, we'll explore how to start a faceless YouTube channel and make $7,250 a month. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, these strategies can help you create a successful channel that generates a steady stream of income. So let's get started. 1. Choosing your niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial to the success of your faceless YouTube channel. You want to select a niche that you are passionate about and that has a high demand from viewers. By choosing a niche that you are passionate about, you'll be more motivated to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. And by selecting a niche with high demand, you'll have a better chance of attracting a large and engaged audience. Some popular niches for faceless YouTube channels include gaming. This is a highly popular niche on YouTube, with many successful channels focused on everything from Let's Plays to walkthroughs. Beauty and fashion. There is a massive audience for beauty and fashion content on YouTube, with many successful channels focused on makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, and product reviews. Education. Educational channels that focus on teaching a particular skill or topic are also highly popular on YouTube, with successful channels covering everything from cooking to DIY home improvement. When choosing your niche, it's important to find a balance between your passion and the demand for the niche. Don't choose a niche solely because it's popular if you don't have a genuine interest in it, as this will likely lead to burnout and lackluster content. Instead, find a niche that you are passionate about and that also has a significant demand from viewers. This will increase the chances of creating engaging content that resonates with your audience and generates a loyal following. 2. Creating high-quality content. Once you've selected your niche, the next step is to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Since you won't be showing your face on camera, it's essential to focus on creating content that is engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Here are some tips for creating high-quality content for your faceless YouTube channel. Develop a unique style. Since you won't be showing your face on camera, it's essential to develop a unique style that sets you apart from other creators in your niche. This can include using unique animations, sound effects, or other creative elements that add to the overall appeal of your content. Use high-quality visuals. While you may not be showing your face on camera, you still want to use high-quality visuals in your content. This can include using high-resolution images, custom graphics, or animations that add to the overall appeal of your videos. Be informative. Since you won't be showing your face on camera, it's important to provide valuable information to your viewers through your content. This can include in-depth tutorials, reviews, or other informative content that helps your viewers learn more about your niche. Be engaging. It's important to keep your viewers engaged throughout your videos, even if you're not showing your face on camera. This can include using humor, storytelling, or other engaging techniques that keep your viewers interested in your content. Use a clear and concise voiceover. Since you won't be showing your face on camera, your voiceover will be the primary way you communicate with your audience. It's important to use a clear and concise voiceover that is easy to understand and adds to the overall appeal of your content. By focusing on these tips, you can create high-quality content for your faceless YouTube channel that resonates with your audience and helps you build a loyal following. 3. Optimizing your videos for search. In addition to creating high-quality content, it's essential to optimize your videos for search to ensure that they are discoverable by potential viewers. This involves using keywords, tags, and other SEO techniques to help your videos rank higher in search results. Here are some tips for optimizing your videos for search. Use keywords in your title and description. Include relevant keywords in your video title and description to help potential viewers find your content when searching for specific topics.
Add tags to your videos. Use relevant tags to help your videos appear in search results for specific keywords and topics. Use closed captions. Adding closed captions to your videos can help improve their SEO by making them more accessible to viewers and improving their overall engagement. Use custom thumbnails. Custom thumbnails can help improve the click-through rate of your videos and make them more appealing to potential viewers. Promote your videos on social media. Sharing your videos on social media can help drive more views and engagement, which can also help improve their overall SEO. By optimizing your videos for search, you can increase their visibility and reach a larger audience, which can help you build a successful, faceless YouTube channel. 4. Monetizing your channel. Once you've created high-quality content and optimized your videos for search, the next step is to monetize your channel to start earning revenue from your content. There are several ways to monetize a YouTube channel, including ads. One of the most common ways to monetize a YouTube channel is through ads. You can earn revenue by allowing ads to play before or during your videos, with the revenue split between you and YouTube. Sponsorships. Another way to monetize your channel is through sponsorships. This involves partnering with brands or companies that are relevant to your niche and promoting their products or services in your videos. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services in your videos and earning a commission on any sales that result from your promotions. Merchandise sales. If you have a loyal following, you can monetize your channel through merchandise sales. This can include selling branded t-shirts, hats, or other products related to your niche. To monetize your channel, you'll need to meet certain requirements, including having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can apply for monetization through the YouTube Partner Program. In addition to monetizing your channel, it's also important to engage with your audience and build a loyal following. This can help you increase your views, grow your channel, and ultimately earn more revenue from your content. By consistently creating high-quality content, optimizing your videos for search, and engaging with your audience, you can build a successful, faceless YouTube channel and earn a steady income from your passion. 5. Growing your audience. In addition to monetizing your channel, growing your audience is essential to building a successful, faceless YouTube channel. Here are some tips for growing your audience. Promote your channel on social media. Share your videos on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to reach a larger audience. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can help you reach new viewers and grow your audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and interact with your viewers to build a loyal following. Offer giveaways and contests. Running giveaways or contests can help increase engagement and attract new viewers to your channel. Attend events and conferences. Attend events and conferences related to your niche to network with other creators and reach new audiences. Remember that growing your audience takes time and effort. Consistency is key, so make sure to upload new content on a regular schedule to keep your viewers engaged and coming back for more. With patience, dedication, and these tips, you can grow your audience and build a successful, faceless YouTube channel. Starting a faceless YouTube channel and earning $7,250 a month may seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it's possible to achieve success. By following the techniques and tips outlined in this video, you can create high-quality content, optimize your videos for search, and monetize your channel to start earning revenue from your content. Remember to focus on your niche and create content that resonates with your audience. Consistency is key, so make sure to upload videos on a regular schedule to keep your viewers engaged and coming back for more. Engage with your audience through comments and social media to build a loyal following and increase your reach. By putting in the time and effort to build a successful, faceless YouTube channel, you can turn your passion into a lucrative career. So what are you waiting for? Start creating and sharing your content with the world today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any thoughts or comments,
please leave them down below. See you again in our next video.